So friend, this is my online Nectar's Blue Sky channel, and today I am discuss about Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. This is very important for you because Windows 7 after Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 different very type changing operating system, and I will continue next some videos how install Windows 8.1 and use it. So by change Windows operating system Windows 8.2 8.1, I will discuss in this my video and completely showing you. So today I'm just showing you one type of showing what is the difference between after Windows 7 create a new Windows 8 operating system. But this generally this generation using a Windows 10. But I'm why talk about Windows 8, Windows 8.1 because some people using Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and maybe some people are not completely use, and why and a lot of people not know about Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. What is the difference create? So why create Windows 8.1 after Windows 8? So one by one discuss in this video, but we are talk about only main feature, main different type of changing everything Windows 7 to Windows 8, and application system, application of very important device level after create Windows 8, and why difference and why better than Windows 7 these Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 discuss in this video. We continue, okay, and next time next video in this I will show you completely how install Windows 7 Windows 8.1. I'm already create a Windows 7 related video in playlist and using system and default some Microsoft Windows operating system create and already install software. So let's start this video. So you can see just here this Windows 8 and Windows 8 related in side. You can see just Windows 8 same work as Windows 7. Nothing you are so you know why Windows 7 after create Windows 8 Windows 8 because Microsoft Linux and Unix and Mac OS and different OS create a version for attractive and additional function, additional features, technologies, and some create advanced level some system. So these reason setup of Windows 8 and 8.1 to Windows 7. So first old generation to Windows 95, Windows NT, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. This generation is in. So you can see this is the same work of Windows 7, Windows 8.1, okay, and same installation. Windows 7 you have operating system series. So same Windows 8 available Windows 8.1 series in the market. Second is the Windows 8 applications lot of setup because it is Microsoft Windows 7 not support application systems because application is a application store. Microsoft applications, just like your example, you can see you can see in Android mobile Play Store. Play Store is one type of bunch of applications and collection of one type of platform. As the same time as the same is system application, Windows application new system create in Microsoft Windows 8, and this reason Windows 7 difference to Windows 8. Windows 8 is App Store MS App, just like you are using a Windows App Store and just like you using a same Windows Play Store in Android system. Fourth point is a 3D technology application support. Okay, Windows 7 not using main because 3.0 technology application you are installed by your operating system Windows 7, so not acceptable and not start. This reason may be Windows 7 old and not supporting your very high quality, maybe your high quality your motherboard, CPU, RAM, and graphics card. But sometime your operating system not perfectly advanced level you install. So this reason some technology you cannot use and start. Fifth is a default application work while installation over time. It's called tiles. Completely application installation, and after the first time your computer starts, it's called tile showing. Okay, on the and other important is settings. Settings option very difficult and very different. Windows 7 to Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So especially to same control panel, but some feature and some using looking and look this reason uh, changing for system. Computer high graphics system add here. Okay, so computer high graphics system you can add here. So you are purchase very high level graphics card, high level system, high level driver. So computer these operating system allow and changing your system, so you can this support. Windows 8 setting, Windows system work. Okay, so Windows 8 setting is a Windows system work in different type available in features and different options available in Windows 8.1. 7 point is the Windows setting. The Windows system work is one type of Windows 8 setting is a Windows high graphics system, and you can see just here this is why sets system work, because some settings changing in Windows 8 point start and Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Okay, 8 is a new feature available in Windows 7 after create new Windows 8 pin password. What is the pin password technology I will discuss in practically. Okay, so this is a pin password new type technology, and 9th is password picture technology. Password picture feature available in Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. 10 is a Microsoft account technology. You can see just OA, operating system, 8 applications, services, everything. So you want first create Microsoft account. Okay, and how create I will discuss in some video, but you want the first Gmail account and sign up Microsoft App Store, and you can see just here Microsoft account technology using an operating system application, some services very provide from different wires in your Microsoft Store application. Okay, so server, what is the server different? This region Windows Server create first, and Windows Server after Windows Server 2 release 2, it is a application software inquiry. So it is one type of lot of feature available in Windows 8. Okay, some applications and some different type of features new type created by in Windows Server 2012. So 11 point is Windows 8 Windows Activate. So product key, if you purchase Windows operating system, and you can set up your Windows activated activation key. So this Windows Activate very old technology is this type feature Windows activation, Windows XP to XP time. So again I'm showing you 12 Windows 8 computer icon, Windows style and command from different type of create and file explorer, new type showing designing and some features. So what is Windows 8.1 in create? Why create Windows operating system again Windows 8.1? So you can see just the Windows 8, 7, Windows 7, Windows 8 applications. So to start new system, Windows 8 applications store and some applications related and 3D technology app and default application work file installation OS time and pin password new technology Windows setting system new type password picture is new. But why create Windows 8.1 system and Windows 8.1 technology? So you can see just here it is one type of Windows 8.1 SAM works 1.7 Windows 8.1 applications app store 3D technology application. But main problem it is Windows. Why create Windows 8. Why Microsoft create a Windows 8.1 technology new type operating system? It point one is a Windows 8.1 computer icon, my computer icon, not showing in easily to Windows 8, and this reason create Microsoft operating system new create Windows 8.1 new type of icon, create a new type of system, creating this reason main fault in Windows 8. And the same it is everything features available in Windows 8.1 same. So you learn Windows 8, Windows 8.1, any you are learning same, but only one mistake by Microsoft company. Computer icon not completely showing in Windows 8, and this reason completely new tab features here set up a Windows 8.1 computer icon. Okay, so you are using Windows 8, so not directly showing in your start menu side in Windows my computer icon, but Windows 8.1 in icon in, you can directly watch click on start menu and automatically showing in tiles. Okay, so this is one type of Windows 8.1 and Windows 8.1 related videos, and you learn Windows 8, Windows 8.1 any same, but only this one point change and the difference between Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So computer icon not completely directly showing easily, and this reason main problem and create new Windows 8.1 operating system. So next time I will continue Windows 8 related and completely how using Windows 8.1. So you learn Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 same it is, but just only one reference computer icon in this reason create Windows 8.1. Okay, so next time I will continue and completely showing Windows 8.1 related everything. So Windows 7 after create a Windows 8.1 type system is very different type in tiles and settings available in a computer. So next time I will continue Windows 8.1 how install and how using Windows 8.1. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue Windows 8.1 icon. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on bell like button, and click on bell icon for new notification when I'm upload new video. So YouTube send notification. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. If you any question, so comment me, and you are not understand video, so again watch and completely you understand this video. So thank you. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue Windows 8.1 and installation. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.